Hi everyone, it's Tara Nicole here. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm here with a really exciting unboxing, so let's get to it. Okay, so as you guys can see, today's unboxing is from Louis Vuitton. So I'm not sure if a lot of you know, but I ordered something from the Takashi Murakami collection when it was released, January 3rd of 2025. I was like one of the first people to go on with my sales associate to try and secure an item. It was obviously very, very difficult. Anybody who tried to purchase that day knows how difficult it was. I was finally able to place an order for 2 items. I'll put them here. One is the black bandeau, the other is the Speedy 25. The black bandeau came within about a week. A Speedy 25, it was very much like up in the air whether I was going to be able to secure this product. A lot of people were paying their money, placing orders, but their orders would get canceled weeks later, several weeks later. So I was literally on pins and needles, you guys, if I was going to get this bag or not, you know, and I was just like waiting and waiting and waiting. I was finally given an estimated date. My estimated delivery date was March 9th, I believe. I'll put it here. It's like March 9th. I was like, okay, I'll wait. So I waited. January, February came, March came, February, my bandeau came in. My delivery date was pushed to April 26th. So I was like, okay, you know, whatever, I'll just wait. You know, this is a good sign. Maybe I'll actually get it. I was just hoping that I would actually get it. You guys, I had the worst week at work last week, like so hectic, so much going on. And I got the call that my bag came. And I was just like, yes. Insert clapping here, like, yes. I'm so happy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, of course, I have my wonderful receipt where I paid my $3,200 for this piece. My SA was so wonderful. She actually was able to secure me a Murakami bag, and if you want to get into the details, I couldn't get a bigger one, but I was able to get a smaller Murakami bag. It has a super flat print, and she was able to get me a ribbon that has the Louis Vuitton Murakami and all of the, if this would focus, that'd be great. All the Murakami characters are on it. It's pretty long, so I'll probably keep that. And she was able to get me a super flat little cardboard with the white LV print. I thought that was so nice, so cool. And yeah, that's about it. I don't think I was able to get stickers, but it's okay. Everyone's not gonna get stickers, but I got at least something. I didn't want my stickers, but I got at least something. So I'm grateful for what I got. But of course, the most anticipated, most wanted part of this. So of course, every Louis Vuitton comes with the beautiful packaging. No, I was not able to get special Murakami packaging, you guys, but that's okay. You know, we have to take our wins and our losses. I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to get this bag at all. So I'm just grateful I got the call, okay? So we have that. Of course, we take the ribbon off, and I'm going to give you guys an up close shot. Okay, so here we are. Have the beautiful box. course, we open it up. We have our dust bag here. Of course, there's nothing else in here. I'll set this down. You guys have seen a Louis Vuitton box 1,000,001 times, I'm sure. Here it is. And of course, it has her tag on the back. And here she is. Just like perfection. So I said I bought the bandeau, and my sales associate Valerie tied it on in the store when I went to pick it up. I love this bow detail with the lock. The key is also here on the inside. Oh, wait. Yeah, the key is also here on the inside. You have like the Louis Vuitton branded key. Have the lock there. Okay. So this is her. This is the Speedy 25 re-release from the Murakami collection. She also comes with a strap. The strap is not adjustable, which is okay. I hope that it was, but it is not. So once I strap her up, all right, this is the look. And then I will also let you guys see the bag on me crossbody. Like on crossbody, yes, it can be worn. It's just the strap is a little short. I've thought about getting a second strap. I'll insert it in here. It's more like a utility strap, and it does match like the black and the bandeau. This is how I plan on wearing her. And so that is what it looks like on me. And to give you an idea, I am 5'6". So, but yes, so she is absolutely gorgeous. One of the hardest pieces, I would say, to secure from the collection. And it's just really good. And I'll let you guys get into the details. So much for watching me unbox this beautiful bag today. I am super excited to wear this for the spring and summer. If you guys have any recommendations on styling this, where to wear it, how to rock it, advice on how to care for it, anything, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I am going to be more consistent with my drops again. I originally was dropping every Thursday. I completely redid my office, so that took a lot of time, and I had some other things going on, but I am back. And yeah, if you want more of this content, you know where to find me. I'm Tara Nicole. This is the Speedy 25 from the Takashi Murakami Louis Vuitton re-release in white. And this is hers. And I will be enjoying her. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.